Welcome to the Nürburgring, famously known as the Green Hell. This legendary track has tested the limits of drivers and cars for nearly a century. Stay tuned as we dive into the history, the challenges, and the thrill of conquering this iconic circuit. Ever wonder why the Nürburgring is called the Green Hell? The Nürburgring was built in the 1920s in the Eifel Mountains of Germany. It quickly gained a reputation for being one of the most challenging and dangerous tracks in the world. What makes the Nürburgring one of the most feared tracks in the world? The Nürburgring is divided into several sections, each with its own unique challenges. Let's take a closer look at some of the most notorious parts of the track. Nordschleife. What makes the Nordschleife the ultimate test for any driver? Known as the North Loop, the Nordschleife is the heart of the Nürburgring. This section is infamous for its length and complexity, featuring over 70 turns that challenge even the most experienced drivers. Stretching over 20.8 kilometers or 12.9 miles, the Nordschleife is one of the longest permanent racetracks in the world. Its layout includes a mix of high-speed straights, tight hairpins, and blind corners. Only few drivers are gonna actually know how hard that is. The track's elevation changes by over 300 meters or 1,000 feet, adding another layer of difficulty, as drivers must constantly adjust to the shifting terrain. The Nordschleife's surface can vary significantly, with some sections offering smooth tarmac while others are bumpy and uneven, requiring precise car control. The track's location in the Eifel Mountains means that the weather conditions can change rapidly, with different parts of the track experiencing varying weather at the same time. Why is the Karussell a favorite among drivers and fans alike? That's our second track. The Karussell is one of the most iconic corners in motorsport, known for its unique bank design. This corner features a steep concrete banking that allows drivers to maintain higher speeds through the turns. However, it demands precision and skill to navigate correctly. Entering the Karussell requires a precise line to avoid unsettling the car. Exiting smoothly is equally challenging, as drivers must transition from the banked surface back to the flat track. The Karussell has been a part of the Nürburgring since its early days and remains a symbol of the track's unique character. Many legendary drivers have mastered this corner, adding to its mystique. Fans love the Karussell. 3. We have Flugplatz, which translates to flying place, is aptly named for the jump that can send cars airborne if taken at high speed. I'm not even joking. Flugplatz is part of a high-speed section of the track where cars can reach significant speeds before hitting the jump. The jump itself is a crest in the track that, when taken at speed, can lift the car off the ground, which requires drivers to have excellent control and timing to land smoothly and maintain their lines. While the jump can be thrilling, it also poses a significant risk. Misjudging the speed or angle can lead to a loss of control, making it a true test of a driver's skill and bravery. Flugplatz has seen many dramatic moments over the years, with some drivers achieving spectacular airborne feats and others experiencing harrowing crashes. Lastly, we have the Brünnchen. Why is Brünnchen a hot spot for both drivers and spectators? Brünnchen is a popular spot for spectators, known for its tight turns and the frequent mistakes made by drivers. This part of the track features a series of tight technical turns that require precise handling and braking. It's a section where even small mistakes can have big consequences. Brünnchen is one of the most accessible parts of the track for spectators. Offering great views of the action, fans gather here to watch drivers navigate the challenging turns and often witness some dramatic moments. For drivers, Brünnchen is a test of their technical skills. The sequence of turns demands careful throttle control and precise steering inputs to maintain speed without losing control. The complexity of Brünnchen means that it's a common spot for drivers to make mistakes, Whether discerning wide, spinning out, or even crashing, this adds to the excitement for spectators and the challenge for drivers. So, do you have what it takes to conquer the green hell? Because driving the Nürburgring is a dream for many, but it requires skill, precision, and also respect for the track's unforgiving nature. So here are some key points if you're a first-timer. Start slow and gradually build up your speed. Familiarize yourself with the track layout and be prepared for the unexpected. Overconfidence can be your worst enemy. Many drivers underestimate the track's difficulty and pay the price. So preparation is key. Study the track, practice in simulators. There are a lot of games that offer this very track, and make sure your car is in top condition. Over the years, the Nürburgring has been the stage for some incredible feats and unforgettable moments. From Stefan Beloff's legendary lap in 1983 to modern-day records set by supercars, the 1976 Formula One race when Niki Lauda suffered a near-fatal crash is one of the most dramatic moments in motorsport's history. The track's influence extends beyond racing, shaping car development and pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. So, are you ready to take the challenge of the green hell? The Nürburgring remains a symbol of the motorsport's excellence and a bucket list destination for racing enthusiasts. Whether you're a driver or a fan, the green hell never fails to captivate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Share your Nürburgring experiences in comments below. Thank you for watching.